If you're looking to use LeadPages to collect email subscribers, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through how to make the most out of this powerful tool in under 5 minutes, but stick around because we'll also explore some other tools that could be even better for your needs. First thing, LeadPages is pretty easy to use, which is why so many people turn to it. You can create high-converting landing pages in minutes without needing to know how to code. To get started, simply log into your LeadPages account and select a template. The great thing about LeadPages is its wide range of templates that are tailored for specific goals, like email signups. You can quickly pick one that suits your brand or campaign. You don't need to start from scratch, which is a huge time saver. Next thing, let's talk about customization. Once you've chosen your template, it's all about making it your own. LeadPages allows you to tweak everything, from the images to the copy. You can even change the color scheme to align with your branding. But here's the catch: while this is great for beginners, some may find the customization options a bit restrictive compared to other platforms. If you're looking for complete freedom over every design element, you might feel a little boxed in here. But for simple, clean, and functional designs, LeadPages is spot on. The third thing, you have to connect your form to an email service provider. LeadPages works with almost every major provider like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and others. Setting this up is as simple as plugging in your API key. However, the integration setup can sometimes be a little clunky, and if you're not tech-savvy, you might run into a learning curve. LeadPages is generally intuitive, but there are definitely better alternatives when it comes to smooth integrations. Now, let's talk about the features that really set LeadPages apart. It's A/B testing and analytics. You can test different versions of your landing page to see which one gets the most conversions, and that's super important when trying to build your email list. However, you should know that the analytics dashboard isn't the most comprehensive out there. It gives you the basics, but if you're serious about diving deep into data, you might find this a bit lacking compared to other platforms. The next thing is mobile responsiveness. LeadPages is really good at making sure your landing pages look great on all devices, which is a must. But if you dive into the customization process, sometimes the mobile version doesn't look exactly how you want it. It's functional, but it's not as fluid as some users might hope. The fourth thing, let's talk about pricing. LeadPages offers a range of plans, starting at $37 a month. While it's reasonably priced for what you get, it can get a little expensive when you start adding in all the add-ons. This pricing puts it in direct competition with other tools like ClickFunnels or even MailChimp's landing page builder. While LeadPages is solid, it might not be the best option if you want a more comprehensive marketing platform at a lower cost. At this point, I have to mention that while LeadPages is a great option for collecting email subscribers, there are alternatives that do some things better, especially if you want to focus more on building your email list without the complexities. We've put together an exclusive offer with extended free trials for the top tools in the market, including an even more cost-effective and user-friendly platform that could get you even better results. As promised, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some amazing benefits that are exclusive to our viewers. But that's not all. These alternatives come with some standout features that make email collection even easier. I highly recommend you check them out, as they might just be the solution you need. Make sure to hit the link in the description for your exclusive trial and to see which alternatives might be a better fit for your email marketing goals.